आज बैंगलोर में बहुत ही रोमांटिक वेदर है. As you can tell, it is sweater weather today. It's drizzling, it's cold, and we are going to be eating some warm momos. These are my favorite momos in Bangalore. Shefali loves it, I love it, and we have taken 2 plates, one for each. Actually, I'm going to take half of hers as well.
No, both are mine.
She can't eat that much. She's just bluffing. So let's start eating. Give it a taste.
Heavy, bro.
Plate is heavy. That's because those momos are big, fat, and juicy. Bobbies, just look at that, man. Give us a taste test, chef. Give me also, no? What half piece you're giving? You can't enjoy in half piece. You need to put a full piece in my mouth. Give me one full momo. It is so unsatisfying like
My
that.
chutku bite is enough for anybody to survive.
I want one big fat momo in my mouth right now. If I don't have a momo in my mouth right now, I'll leave. I'll go home. I'm going home, guys. This girl is not hospitable at all. What is this behavior? Put chutney, man. This girl, no, she can't feed. I'll only eat. What is this angle? I don't know. But I am enjoying these momos. You know, another reason we're meeting today is because I finally got some money. YouTube AdSense payment came मेरे main channel की. Guess how much money I made?
80,000 rupees.
80,000 it seems. $250. 20,000 rupees came, guys. पैसा आते उड़ा देना चाहिए, ठीक है? अब आएगा ना मजा बिड़ू.
Oh God, even I want to eat now. My lips are burning little now. See?
Chutney, you gotta drink some chutney. Great start. 600 calories down. Let's go. What's up, bro? You know me?
Yeah.
You're on
I'm
video.
a
You don't
follower.
mind being on video?
Yeah, no issues.
Introduce yourself, bro.
I'm Amer. I'm basically from Bangalore.
Okay.
I'm too much motivated from Mohit. Basically, he was my before type of shape, and I have been following him for a long time now.
Yeah.
I have taken a lot of motivation from you.
Okay. Thank you so much, bro. That was a subscriber named Amir. I just ran into him while eating momos. And such a sweet chap, na? He's been following me for a long time. He's lost a lot of weight and he was on his way to the gym. I offered him momos, but he didn't take. Respect the grind. So right now we are at Chai Point. We've gotten kombucha. This is ginger flavored kombucha. I've also gotten peach flavor. Let's see if peach is better or ginger is better. Which one do you think is better?
Ginger.
You think ginger is better? Just give it a shot. Oh, by the way, this is buy one get one free. I paid for one and got one free.
Ginger taste? Not getting any ginger taste.
You're not getting ginger taste, huh? Okay, rate that on 10. How much?
7.5.
7.5? Okay. Try the peach now.
Ooh.
Peach is insane, right?
8.5.
8.5. I don't mind the ginger, so cheers.
Ooh, love this.
Fuck. It jizzed all over my nose, man. What can I do? I'm so hot that even bottles jizz over. If you're ever at Chai Point, you can always come get this soda chai. They call it soda chai. It's just kombucha. Insanely good, right?
Too good. I love it. I would love it with like dinner or something.
Talking about dinner, what are we feeling like? Actually, what are you feeling?
I feel like Indian. No, I'm joking.
You feel like Indian? We've been eating Indian all the time.
Yeah, but that's only because you were feeling like eating Indian. I was never feeling like eating Indian.
So what are you feeling like?
Pizza.
Feeling pizza? You're in luck because
You are.
Pizza for Peas is right down the road. You know what we should do? We should take our bottles and walk to Pizza for Peas. Chalo. Man, this kombucha is insane. And it's probably like only 70 calories. That's the best part. Be careful of Bangalore cops if you're drinking kombucha on the road because this looks like cans of beer.
Can? Bottle.
Bottles of beer, and you're not allowed to drink beer on the road. Come, we'll walk this way. To Pizza for Peas, Bobbies. What are the chances that you'll get a table there?
5.5 on 10.
It's a very, very high likelihood that you won't get a table. You know what we should do? After pizza, we should go for hot chocolate. It's giving hot chocolate weather today.
Are we in Darjeeling?
Today I learned a new Kannada word.
I don't want to hear it.
Hey, it's a good word. It's not a bad word. She thinks that if I learned a new Kannada word, it's going to be a slang.
Okay. Tell. What new word have you learned?
Tirthaitu, meaning equal. Drinking this on the road feels illegal, but it is completely legal.
I am
Cheers.
Waiting for someone to pull us over.
It actually feels like I'm drinking liquor. Everybody is staring at me. But we don't do liquor, right?
Yeah, we're nice.
I don't drink liquor. Unrelated, masala puri, guys. I feel like eating some masala puri. Should we eat?
Yes.
Dinner was only 5 minutes away, but we stopped for masala puri because it's such a nice weather. If not now, then when will you eat?
December.
Okay, I mean, you want me to wait till December to eat masala puri?
Yes.
What if you're not in my life until December?
Then eat with someone else.
Woo! Permission given. Okay, let's go grab one masala puri. I don't know how many calories, guys. Calories don't count when you're as lean as I am.
It will be 350
350, minimum 600
per
calories.
person.
Oh, per person. Good guess then. Good guess. Hot masala. Oh my god. I hope this is good because I'm eating after so long. Cheers.
Why is the angle so weird?
Honestly, that looks like a very disappointing plate of masala puri. First of all, in this thermocol, I never expected. What is it called? Styrofoam.
Thermocol only, no?
Styrofoam. I like eating my masala puri out of a plate. Taste and tell, akka.
I don't know, like not bad but not great also.
Feed me one big bite. Nice masala you put. Very average taste, man. Like 6.5 is definition of mid.
I think the best masala puri in Bangalore is, you know where I told you, Hari Super Sandwich.
Moms, come in front of Phoenix Mall. Sexy masala puri. After a very average masala puri experience, Chef and I are now heading towards our pizza. Look at this girl, guys. She's carrying a bottle in her hand and walking on the road.
One hit no on your head over.
Do you think you can hit me with the bottle?
Have you seen Alia Bhatt break a bottle over that woman's head in Gully Boy?
This Alia Bhatt is giving false confidence to women, okay? Chef says it's her dream to hit a glass bottle on a guy's head.
Yeah, your head.
My head, wow. Shefali is asking, does she look like a boy?
Today, bro, outfit.
Her outfit makes her look like a boy, right?
Exchange.
Exchange boss. Bottoms up. Come on, let's go. Guys, first of all, she came dressed like a man. On top of that, she has rolled her sleeves up.
It's hot.
How many steps do you think I've walked so far?
14,500.
You think I've walked only 14,000? You think I'm a loser?
18,500.
You think I've walked only 18,500?
Only.
Only?
Only.
Come, we'll check.
Yeah.
Hold.
Chalo.
Let's see it together. Open. Health app. Oh my god, she got it right. We are standing outside Pizza for Peace and we did not get a table. She said the waiting time is at least 1 hour and Shefali doesn't have that kind of time. What do's?
Chinita.
Chinita. Chinita is like rice bowls. Are we feeling rice bowls? Pizza for Peace couldn't get in. So we've taken an auto now. Pretty cool auto. And we are going to Chinita. We have arrived at Chinita, guys. Time to go send it. Just look at her, guys. I'm sitting here and she's just staring at her phone. As always.
I'm working. I'm an independent man. If I don't feed the family, who will?
Whose family you're feeding?
Your family.
My family you're feeding?
Yeah, you are the family. Since you are not making any money, I have to make no.
Very good. I made $250 today.
Perfect.
That's it seems. One grilled chicken burrito bowl with extra chicken obviously and one grilled chicken taco works for you?
Yeah, enough. You look so huge.
I look so huge. It's the hoodie, man. Right now I'm not big at all.
Liar.
Starting with one Diet Coke, guys. Shefali is matching with the Coke.
Matchy.
You know what? If there's ever a fancy dress competition in your workplace, you should just wear this sweater and put Coca-Cola all over it and say, I'm dressed as Diet Coke.
That would be so fun, right?
Yeah, it would be. What do I look like, guys? I think I look like a polar bear.
No, a brand. If I had to say you look like a brand, you look like Milky Bar.
I look like Milky Bar. Okay. I hated Milky Bar, by the way.
Yeah, bro. It tastes like a shit, chewy chocolate.
Yeah, I never liked Milky Bar in school. You know what my favorite chocolate was? Cadbury Perk.
Oh.
Affordable and very decent size. Like for 10 rupees, you would get that jumbo pack.
Oh, for the 5 rupee one, you used to get 2 before.
2 wafers, yeah.
Which was so cool. Guess my favorite chocolate.
Dairy Milk.
Come on.
Bounty.
Used to be Bounty, but something more affordable.
Kit Kat.
Yeah.
I felt like Kit Kat for me was a little too rich. The chocolatey flavor was a little too rich. But Perk on the other hand, affordable and also when you want that guilty pleasure, you don't want something that's so rich as a Kit Kat. The food is out, guys. It took them 5 minutes. I fucked up a little bit. मैं usually इनको बोलता हूँ कि cheese ना डालें because it makes no difference adding cheese to this burrito bowl. It just adds calories, doesn't do anything for taste.
Like nothing.
Nothing, no taste, no difference with the cheese. That's a big bite for you. How is it? Oh, my taco is here. Sir, रख दीजिए इधर ही. Thank you so much. Man, these tacos though are the shit, okay? So look at that
Only
taco.
you like them that much.
I love these tacos.
The taco shell is deep fried, brother.
This is not deep fried.
Why is that so good today?
It's always been this good. What are you saying? See, that's the thing with Chinita, okay? It tastes good, but everything tastes similar. This burrito bowl and this taco, very similar in taste. Also, this place is a vibe, okay? Isn't it?
Yeah.
As long as it's not crowded. Oh, if this place gets crowded, it's too loud and chattery.
On a weekend,
Avoid.
avoid.
But man, these tacos, man, fuck. Imagine we went to that Rico experience, paid so much money there, and it wasn't even half as good as this.
Right?
Going forward, you'll be seeing Chef and I in more, affordable places rather than expensive fine dine.
One, because he's broke. Two, because we want to experiment.
Yeah, the reason being I just don't have money right now. The first time I came here was with Joseph Obsidian. We ordered a lot of food that day and everything tasted the same. So my realization was come here, order 1 or 2 dishes, eat happily and go home. Guys, there was a lesbian couple who was seated in front of us. They just left and they didn't even finish 50% of the food, right? Their drinks, the food.
Looks more than 50%, honestly, the food quantity left.
Yeah, they left like 70-80% of the food, but they're lesbian, no?
I didn't see the other girl. I saw only one girl. I thought the other girl was the guy.
So what does that mean? Also quite common in Indranagar.
I know, right? That this is the place where you'll see such things.
Yeah, such things meaning they are also part of our society.
Okay, brother, you know what I meant.
Yeah, in Indranagar is where you see people from the LGBTQ plus minus division subtraction community. By dinner ka total cost tha 1,200 rupees. That's one of the cheapest dinners we've ever done,
Cheapest.
right? It's so nice that my bills are no longer 5,000-6,000 rupees.
Obviously, since your card will decline if it is.
Hello, I have 20k, okay, in my account.
Okay.
It's drizzling a little bit right now. The vibe is immaculate. This is what I meant by when I said it's a romantic weather in Bangalore today. Would be nice to get a hot chocolate, but Shefali is in a rush to go home.
Yeah, so maybe you can take another girl.
I have the calories also for a hot chocolate.
But you don't have me, so it doesn't count.
Will you take me?
I would really love to, but it's already 9:37.
Too late, huh?
I work tomorrow.
She has work tomorrow. So I guess that is it for this vlog.
Somebody has to make the money.
Oh my god. See you guys in the next one.